How to defend against spam on Viber. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to defend yourself against spam on Viber. Getting different messages from unknown contacts can be harmful, and they might contain files that are harmful for your device. So checking against spam on Viber can be a good way to prevent it and save your device. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Viber app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Viber offers those features where you can easily check for auto spams, so you don't have to manually check for everything. If you are getting messages or some kind of links from unknown contacts, Viber will filter it out for you, and then it will delete those kind of messages automatically. For that, you'll have to tap on the more icon at the bottom right. And once you land on the more page, you're just going to have to tap on the settings menu. On the settings page, you are going to have to find your privacy settings. Just tap on it, scroll down a bit, and here you'll find this option, auto spam check. Allow Viber to check whether messages from unknown senders contain spam or not. Just go ahead and turn this one on, and now you've successfully defended against spam on Viber. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.